Come on in, welcome to my home. It's hot. It's really hot today. So I'm going to do this recipe. I tried to do it last week, but they were tearing down trees right outside of my condo. So that didn't happen. This week, it's nice and hot, but we are going to get this done because this isn't really hard. Chocolate graham crackers are easy to make. I don't know why more people don't make them. The only thing you have to be careful of is, since it is so hot, I have my butter in the refrigerator. All the ingredients are listed down below in the descriptions, and this is one of those things where it can be sort of hard to find these products right now, like chocolate graham crackers, not all the ingredients. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and make this. Now, if you are not using black cocoa powder and you're just using regular, you're going to want to double the amount, but I'm using the black cocoa powder, so that is something. And you'll notice that there's way more honey in this than I need. That's because, well, when I was pouring the honey out, it's so warm the honey was just really running. So let's get this ready. We're going to start off with our whole wheat flour, our flour. I'm going to add my salt, and that's a good nice pinch of sea salt, baking soda, cinnamon, black cocoa powder or regular cocoa powder, and sugar. Put my lid on. Now I'm just going to pulse this, just to get it going. Alright, I've taken my butter out of the refrigerator. I'm going to put the cubes of butter in and pulse this. You want that to resemble like fine butter or fine bread meal. Now I'm going to add my honey. Not all of it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water. I am scraping this down gently. Oh wow, that really does smell like graham crackers. Now we are going to take our little dough and yes, that is a stiff dough. I'm going to sprinkle that liberally with some flour. Place another piece of parchment paper on top of that. Flip it over. Oh, I did have some success doing that. I'm surprised. And then roll it. I'm checking to see where I need to roll it so that it will be a little bit more even. But my goal is to make this about 1/4 of an inch thick. Now, because I knew going into this, I did not want to do, you can do fancy cookie cutters, whatever. I'm just going to go with squares. Well, whatever shape. Try to do yours fairly even. Now I'm going to use, because I'm not even going to attempt to pull these off nicely, I'm going to use my hands and a spatula. Put those on the tray. These scrap little pieces, I'll show you what I'm going to do with those in a second. Oh, it's so humid today. I can actually feel the dough like gaining moisture as I put it out, which is fairly impressive, I must add. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And yes, I'm working very quickly, trying to get those onto the pan as fast as I can. Alright, these little scrappy pieces I will put together and try to form a fairly decent looking graham cracker. There we go. Really fastly formed graham crackers are going to go into the oven, and they're going to bake for about 15 minutes. Our graham crackers are out of the oven. They are still warm. These would be really good with like coffee or tea. They're still slightly, they're slightly soft. How to explain this? A chocolate gingerbread cookie without the ginger taste. I really do like these. Now, if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. These are so easy to make. I really hope that you make them because you can store them and then have them on a really hot day, like today, instead of cooking them. I hope you enjoyed that. Give this video a thumbs up. If there were things that you like, or like products that I use, they're probably listed down below in the description. And I hope I get to see you again next time you stop by. Or you can check out one of these other videos I picked out just for you.